we just went out and got a new 8-person Alaskan guide model tent, and we got the 8-person Alaskan guide model floor liner. So we're gonna open them both up right now, jump in here, just kind of see what we got. We wanted to get into cold weather camping, or cooler weather camping, I should say, a little bit more. So went out and got these things from Cabela's. Let's see how they set up and how it looks.
We're gonna go up north, not to the UP, but still northern Michigan. And it's getting toward the end of September, almost October. It's a little chilly at night, gets down to about 40 degrees, and we don't want to freeze. So we're gonna give this tent a test and see how it does. We're gonna go ahead and put it together and have a look. So when I have a look at it, I can see that the tent poles, probably the stakes, are in a bag inside the tent rolled up. That's how I like to roll them up as well, because then you know you're getting the tent the right dimension to fit in the bag. But let's go ahead and undo the straps. Hope I don't regret undoing that all the way, now that I think about it. Roll it out. Heavy duty feeling stakes. Wow. Wow, they are pretty heavy duty looking. Looks like they're metal stakes, but they're a lot bigger than the stakes I'm used to seeing in the tent. There's the pole bag. And then these would be your pockets that go inside for storage. Not sure where they go yet, but that's what that looks like to me. This looks like the rain fly. That's it. Let's see how long it takes to put it together for the first time.
Pretty good size. Pretty good size for sure.
This is a 8-man or 6-man?
8-person tent. Is this the door?
I think
Let's
the door's right. Here's the door.
Let's put
maybe not. Not the door.
Do our best to face the door into the camera. The middle. These are pretty long poles. I mean, they seem like they're 15 feet long or so with a multiple sections. So easy setup, but 2 people would make it a little bit easier. So we have 2 of us here.
You have to get off the tent. You're not on it, are you?
No.
It's got a lot of lifting to do. A lot. Am I ripping something?
No.
I'm nowhere near the end. There we go. So I would say in this scenario, deviate from the instructions a little. Get your pole on and then put the clips on because they get stuck as we're trying to slide the pole through. Again, it is the first time we're putting it up, so maybe they'll loosen up a little.
Light needs you back here. So we're about 11 or 12 minutes in. We put our first 3 poles up. Pretty simple, they're color coordinated. I just wanted to show you. Haven't undid it yet, haven't been inside, but you can see what we're talking about, the green right here. So what this does is that whole pole goes over the top, and you can notice here is black. So this black will run back to the back part of the tent, and it's black back there. This one's yellow. There's 3 that we've done. This green lined up with the green we just showed you up front. You can see the black over here. So I'm gonna guess when we unpack this tent the next time, for this to take us any longer than a minute or 2, which just took us 11, won't be too bad. The very next step, we have 3 long poles and 1 shorter pole, is gonna be going side to side. So when you look here, you're gonna see down there, it's gonna go up that way, over the front door, and then down the other side the same way. All right, so we're gonna do the 3 side to side ones now. We've done our first 3, now there's these 3.
All right, we're gonna start with yellow. All right.
Here we go. I'm assuming we're gonna end up doing the same thing on both of these as well.
Do we do B or A next?
So let's go to B.
Okay. Come on over. I want to show you what we do where the poles intersect. So you have this piece that has Velcro on it. I'm gonna go over the poles where they intersect, feed it through the ring, and then just Velcro it together. And then
There we go.
one more, two more.
So we got these two front ones. So as we pan back, see, there's the tent so far. All right, we're gonna pull the rain fly over. Just took us a half a second to undo it. We're just gonna pull it over to make the doors line up.
I wonder if we're supposed to hook it down before we do the pull. We don't read directions.
Haven't read the directions. All right, so we got the rain fly just pulled over. We're gonna hurry up and take down these little pull down sides here. There's little, or we could roll it up. Let's go check it out in the inside.
All right, I'm gonna let you guys know. Bob is 6'5".
6'5". I got shoes on, which is even taller. I really fit well.
Have a look
It has
around.
a nice insulated feel too. Really does. You can tell it has 3 vents. There's 3 triangular vents, one here, here, and here. They're 3 opposite sides of each other. It's basically a hexagon tent. Pretty spacious in here.
4 cup holders.
We do have windows. As you can see, we can pull the rain fly up from outside, but we have windows in here. This is a good sized tent, all season. Should be nice. We got a little buddy heater we're excited to use, and we're gonna see. We also got the floor. So it does seem like it's gonna hold heat well. Fairly easy to put up. Didn't read the instructions. It took us about 25 minutes, 20 to 25 minutes. We're gonna open up the floor covering right now and then kind of show you that.
Okay, just to elaborate on that again, there is a floor. As you can see, it's not a floorless tent, but we did buy an extra floor protector. Bob, do you want to?
All right, we just set up the tent. Now we're gonna take out the 8-person Alaskan guide model tent floor liner. Just putting in the floor liner.
Pretty easy. It's kind of like buttoning a winter coat with a toggle. Little loops on the tent, you put the toggle through. As I just said, it was easy. I'm struggling getting this toggle through, but it's the user.
Cool tent, guys. Nice all-season tent that I think is going to work nice even in the summer. So our initial thoughts, unpacking this Alaskan guide tent, is an 8-person tent all season. We're really excited about it. It seems like it's going to stand up to the wind, to the elements. It says it's waterproof, guys, and it weighs about 45 pounds. What are your thoughts, Tina?
I love it. I'm pretty excited about the size of the tent. The center height is 6'7". The overall side is a little over 13 feet by 11, I believe it was. It's a hexagon, so, you know, a little bit of...
13.6 it says by 11.8. 13.6 by 11.8. It's a big tent. Really nice.
So there you go. I'm excited to camp in this and not freeze.
Please feel free to like the video and subscribe to the channel and come along with some adventures with us in this tent.
Thanks for tuning in.